It's a spike that's leaving projects in doubt and developers under pressure.
We tried to sort of foresee inflation. We could see it was getting a little bit out of hand.
Unity Homes is one of the construction firms witnessing firsthand the rising cost of building materials. The company's executive director, Jason Horsey, says they're increasingly finding themselves having to revise their budgets, at times even forced to absorb the costs.
We've had to absorb some of the price increases ourselves. We have taken certain mitigation measures, such as front-running inflation as much as possible by essentially disrupting this whole just-in-time inventory delivery and actually stocking more materials on site.
Rising raw materials and energy prices have been inflating construction costs in Kenya since late 2021. But the conflict in Ukraine, which along with Russia is one of the world's largest steel producers, has pushed up prices even further over the past couple of months. Steel has been the hardest hit. According to the Architecture Association of Kenya, some steel products have surged by over 40% since December 2021.
Like if you look back in early February, we saw almost a 40 to 60% price increase almost overnight in rebar. The same sort of price increase with cement, and in fact it went even further with cement. We actually had a shortage of cement at one point where we just couldn't find any cement in the market.
A further hike in energy costs on the back of Western sanctions against Russia have also added on to the inflation. But experts say it is the local Kenyan shilling which has weakened against major currencies and is now projected to remain under sustained pressure against the greenback that has compounded matters.
And majorly is now the input costs. First of all, we are looking at freight costs. The prices of global oil prices has been on an uptrend, and that has percolated even into the freight costs that the cement and steel companies are getting. Issues around dollar shortages. Some of these companies are not able even to meet the suppliers in hard currency terms.
The high input cost comes as Kenya's construction industry was just starting to shake off the negative effects of the COVID-19 pandemic, which brought the sector almost to its knees. But now industry insiders are worried the current rising cost of building materials is risking to undo all that progress.